the flash flood warning for East Central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, north central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 9 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a cluster of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Up to 4 inches is possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Ketchtown, Mendham, High Bridge, Clinton, Peapack and Gladstone, Chester, Lebanon, Califon, Far Hills, Society Hill, Beach Yestown, Annandale, Long Valley, Millington and Basking Ridge. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Driving into flood waters could put your life at risk and cost you thousands of dollars in vehicle repairs. Flood waters may be deeper than you think. Turn around and find an alternate route.